Hello, me again with my Flex log splitter here. I just wanted to give you an update on what has happened. I've had this thing for almost 2 years, and it has a 2-year warranty that came on it. And I've had several small issues with it. It was coming undone from the base unit, so I made a special bracket in the back, and I didn't mind doing that. It has an oil leak on it. Again, not a huge deal. I think one of these fittings is loose. I was going to take that apart and fix that myself. No problem. I consider that normal wear and tear items for something like this. But what happened today, or what I noticed today, I don't know when it happened, is I have a crack right here on the main support that holds the ram, where they welded it to the oil tank. Now this is something that's a whole different story. Yes, I can fix it, but this is what I would consider a manufacturer's defect. I am experienced in welding, and what it looks like to me is it was a cold weld and it did not penetrate on the base metal. So eventually it cracked, and now it's slowly working itself, and this little piece right here is bending. Let me zoom in on it. This is always fun to do. See if I can get it to focus. Alright. Let me try a little bit different angle here. Oh, that's good. You can really see the crack. Let me get a screwdriver. As you can see, I can put a screwdriver in this weld where these two pieces of metal were welded together. They did not penetrate enough with this weld, and it broke free. Let me zoom out a little bit here so you can see where I am on the machine. This is the ram end right here, so this whole piece right here where the ram hooks into is slowly twisting backwards. Fortunately, I caught it, and I could fix it right now. I'm going to have to drain the oil out of it, grind all of this old weld off. I may have to grind the weld off on this side and totally recenter this piece, and then I will stick weld it back on here. If I have to go that route, I will, but I really feel this was a manufacturer's defect. So it is just in a 2-year warranty. I am going to get a hold of Troy Bilt. I'm going to show them this video. With any luck, they'll just send out a new machine or a new end piece here, because this is obviously something from the manufacturer. This thing should have never had that much pressure on it, because this has a built-in relief valve set from the factory at their settings. So yeah, I'm going to see what they can do. I will keep you guys updated. If they will just send this whole unit out, great. Just give me a new one. This one's obviously foobarred. If they tell me to bring it to a service center, you know, I'm going to tip my hand here to Troy Bilt, but I am going to publish this online, and you know what they do. But if they say bring it to a service center, I'm just going to fix it myself, because I don't trust the service centers to re-weld this correctly. So in that case, I will just do it myself. But I will keep you updated, and hopefully Troy Bilt takes care of me on this one. Thanks for watching.